using our 3/8 ratchet, we're going to go ahead and insert it into the hole in the middle of the tensioner here. I'm going to go ahead and swing that tensioner down. And we're going to remove that belt. Go ahead and work the belt off. You want to take note of all the pulleys and the direction that that belt is running in. Go ahead and pull that right up through the top. Using a 15mm socket and ratchet, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove this bolt holding the tensioner to the block. When installing this unit, you want to make sure that the little nub here lines up with the notch down in the bracket itself. Go ahead and lower this down. If that doesn't line up, the unit will sit crooked. So go ahead and line that up and get our bolt in. Let's go ahead and torque down the bolt here to 37 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and install our new belt. We'll go ahead and push down on our tensioner and get our belt installed. And once you get the belt installed and you release that tensioner, you want to go back and double check all of your pulleys, making sure that the belt is lined up on all the ribs.